The Oppo K13 Turbo Pro and K13 Turbo are performance-focused smartphones designed primarily for gamers and power users. Their most unique selling point is the integration of an internal centrifugal cooling fan, a feature rarely seen in a mainstream smartphone lineup. Both phones also boast large batteries, high refresh rate displays, and a durable, gamer-centric design. The Oppo K13 Turbo Pro and Oppo K13 Turbo are new gaming-centric smartphones in the Oppo K series lineup. Oppo has finally launched its first Turbo-branded smartphones, the Oppo K13 Turbo and K13 Turbo Pro, in China. The Oppo K13 Turbo series will hit the Indian market by early August. If this holds true, the first teasers for the K13 Turbo series should be out in India in the next few days. The tipster speculates that the K13 Turbo series will be aggressively priced in India. With the Snapdragon 8s Gen 4 on board, the K13 Turbo Pro is expected to rival the likes of the iQOO Neo 10 and Poco F7. The K13 Turbo, on the other hand, will be equipped with the Dimensity 8E450 chipset. Oppo K13 Turbo Pro, powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8s Gen 4 processor, this is the more powerful of the two devices. Paired with a faster UFS 4.0 storage, it's a true flagship-level performer. Reviewers and benchmarks, like Antutu scores of nearly 2 million, confirm that it can handle the most demanding games and heavy multitasking without a hitch. The active cooling fan is particularly effective here, preventing thermal throttling and maintaining peak performance during long gaming sessions. Oppo K13 Turbo. This model uses the MediaTek Dimensity 8450 chipset with UFS 3.1 storage. While not as powerful as the Pro model, it's still a very capable processor that delivers a smooth and fluid experience for gaming and daily use. It's a great option for users who want strong performance without the flagship price tag. The active cooling system also works well on this model, ensuring stable performance in games like PUBG Mobile and Call of Duty Mobile. Both phones feature a visually impressive 6.8-inch 1.5K AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. The flat screen design is a popular choice among gamers and provides a solid in-hand feel. The displays are bright and vibrant with a peak brightness of 1600 nits, making them easy to use even in direct sunlight. The design is bold and gamer-centric, with sharp lines and a visible cooling fan module on the back, complete with subtle RGB lighting. The build quality is also a highlight, with both phones boasting IP68, IP69 water and dust resistance. This is particularly impressive given the presence of an internal fan, a testament to Oppo's engineering. For sustained performance, both phones incorporate an aggressive cooling system, including an 18,000 RPM built-in fan with RGB lighting, a 7,000 square millimeter VC liquid cooling plate, and graphite gel cooling, making them suitable for demanding tasks and extended gaming sessions. This is designed to improve heat dissipation by 20% and maintain stable temperatures during extended gaming sessions. This is a game changer for sustained performance, as it keeps the phone cool and prevents frame drops caused by overheating. A large vapor chamber and graphite layer. These work in tandem with the fan to passively dissipate heat, ensuring the phone remains comfortable to hold even under heavy load. The result is a device that runs cooler by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius compared to other phones without active cooling, providing a more stable and comfortable gaming experience. A massive 7,000 mAh battery powers both devices, offering exceptional endurance. This large capacity, combined with the efficient processors and active cooling, means you can expect to get through a full day of heavy use, including extended gaming, without needing a recharge. When you do need to top up, the 80-watt SuperVOOC fast charging gets the job done quickly, with a full charge taking just under an hour. The camera setup is functional, but not a primary focus for these phones. Both models have a dual camera system with a 50-megapixel main sensor and a 2-megapixel secondary sensor. The main camera, with its OIS, on the Pro model, is capable of taking good photos in well-lit conditions and supports 4K video recording. However, the secondary camera is basic, and the overall camera performance is considered to be decent for the price range, but not on par with other flagships that prioritize photography. The Oppo K13 Turbo Pro and K13 Turbo successfully deliver on their promise of being powerful, gaming-focused smartphones. The Oppo K13 Turbo Pro is the top-tier choice for those who want uncompromising performance for a competitive price. Its Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 chipset and UFS 4.0 storage make it a true powerhouse for mobile gaming. The Oppo K13 Turbo is an excellent value proposition, offering a great balance of performance, battery life, and cooling technology at a more accessible price point. Both phones are a significant step forward in mobile cooling technology and are ideal for users who are tired of their phones overheating during intensive use. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe